I'm pumped for this rally.
Wait, you know it got postponed to Tuesday, right?
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah, it got postponed.
Ah, crap. 1 second.
What the?
Oh, my bad, dude. 1 second. Well, hey, it's good to be out of that costume.
Yeah, seriously.
Anyway, this week in FHS News, College Night is happening October 9th at Del Oro. Our volleyball team has huge home games on Tuesday, October 7th and Thursday, October 9th.
Very important things to know. I hope we see everybody out there. Let's get that fire pit rolling, you guys. Let's send this one over to our first ever report by our very own Punch James, who got the privilege of interviewing Mr. Everett. Let's see how it went.
Punch James here. We're gonna punch out this interview real fast. So, Mr. Everett, there's been some recent Sasquatch sightings. Have you heard about those?
I haven't heard about the recent ones. There's always Sasquatch sightings, or Bigfoot.
And do you believe in Sasquatch?
I do. I grew up in the heart of Sasquatch country. So.
And where's that?
Happy Camp, California, Siskiyou County.
Wow. So you really grew up with that belief. What's some evidence that you find back then?
When I was here my first year during a dance, there was a Sasquatch sighting on this property, actually, right out here on the side road. But just myself personally, I haven't really seen him, but have heard lots of stories from very credible people that have had encounters that would be hard to explain. It wouldn't be something that those people would make up. So.
Okay. And last
But
question.
I have a Sasquatch right there. So.
I do. And a little mini one right
My
there.
good luck Sasquatch right here.
A little Sasquatch, buddy.
Yeah.
All right. Last question. How do you keep that perfect shine?
On my forehead? That's the way it is. I want to keep it nice and shiny for the kids, so I'll work on that.
All right. Back to you.
Wow, what a mysterious and fun look inside the very own beliefs of our own Mr. Chris Everett. Well, now moving on to more important... Wait, hold on. You guys, we're getting some important breaking news, it seems like. What is it?
We've just been delivered some FWB inside footage of Ms. Cottingham watching our last week's broadcast.
Yeah.
The air quality and his driving a little bit long, but it's a beautiful coast.
Let's do this. All right, and then last question. This is very serious. Please don't laugh. If Bruce Lee and Indiana Jones both have lightsabers, who would win?
Easy, Bruce Lee. Indiana Jones, not impressed. I don't like Indiana Jones. To me, he's like Batman. He's the man with a bunch of gadgets or a whip or whatever. So, Bruce Lee, every time.
Well, thank you.
Wow, that got ugly quick, didn't it, Bruce?
It really did. I don't even think I want to know what happened after that.
Me either. Well, in other news, the King fire has been contained up to 90% since our last broadcast. That's wonderful. You know, look at that picture. We literally have nothing to say about how the shape of that picture.
Nope. Now it's time to see what's happening with sports this week. For that, we are going to toss it over to our gorgeous, beautiful, wonderful Miss Susan Sally Wally.
I love her.
Thanks, Thor, our volleyball team traveled down to Sac Waldorf to face against the Waves. Football destroyed Livermore Christian at our own stadium. The score was a breathtaking 40-13. Cross country has a home meet. Yeah, exciting. Back to you guys.
Hey, thanks, babe. I mean, Susan. You have such a way with words.
That does it for us today here at Forso Wildfire Studios. Thanks for watching. Thor, do you want to do your sign off?
My what?
Do you want to do your sign off?
I don't know what that means. I have no idea what the words you're saying are.
Your sign off. You stay hot, Wildfires?
Thanks for tuning in, guys. We out.
But wait! There's more!
That's right, Wildfires. We're almost done. We have exclusive ESPN inside footage of Joey Mizuraka scooping and scoring a Marcus Quintanilla blocked field goal. Let's take a look. That was a wonderful touchdown, Joey. Great job, Wildfires. Good job getting that first win of the season.
Absolutely wonderful. And next we have exclusive footage of, what class is this? Is it How to Swag 101?
I believe so.
Let's take a look.
All right, guys. I'm glad we finally learned how to swag.
Yep. It's a very useful skill to have in life. Thank you guys at How to Swag 101. We're out.
I got hair in my mouth. Nipple.